Good day po sa inyong lahat. Nandito po ulit tayo ngayon sa Asian Entrepreneur para interviewin si Ma'am Glo. Tara po.
Hi, my name is Mariflor Alejandro. So, I'm the AC manager and the registrar as well as the finance officer for Asian Entrepreneurs Technological Institute, Inc. Okay, I started working here since 2017. I think it was May or June na start ako mag-work dito. Regrets? Actually, wala akong regrets. Personal investment. Because as you can see, this is a family business. So, yung success ng company benefits the success of the family. And what I also like about this job is also the decision making. So, the decision making is very easy. So, kasi the success of the business is also the success of the family as well as the legacy. We all know, so my mom started this institution. So, yung legacy niya, no, maganda. So, hopefully, mapalaki ko siya para makuha din siya ng mga pamangkin ko, siguro yung mga anak ko, para magtuloy-tuloy siya. Yun naman kasi yung goal natin na magtuloy-tuloy yung business ni tinayo ni Mami, tapos ako. So hopefully, yung mga susunod na generation, yun, matuloy-tuloy nila yung institution na to. As well as sana mas lumaki siya. Okay. Siguro as, I guess as an admin of this school, sa lahat naman ng mga businesses or sa lahat naman ng mga corporations, pinakamahirap i-handle is the different personality of each employee. They have unique styles, attitudes, as well as backgrounds. So, what I do is, syempre, tinitignan ko yung strength and weaknesses nila. Mas magaling siya mag-documentation. So, dun ko mas pinofocus. Pero yung weakness, syempre, pinapractice din yun. So, kailangan matanggal niya yung weakness niya or ma-practice niya na maging magaling din siya sa ibang process. Yun yung pinakamahirap na trabaho sa akin. Yung sa attitude nila eh. So, nahihirapan din ako yung sa workload, yung pagbibigay sa kanila ng workload dahil most of the time, ang dami namin ginagawa. At yung workload namin, sobrang grabe. So, yung mga task, kailangan maaga pa lang pinaghahandaan na namin para hindi kami masyado bombarded sa work or sobrang dami namin ginagawa. Minsan nag-aaway sila or nagkakaroon ng tampuhan or sagutan. So, doon nagiging din tayo, no? Nagiging, since this is just small, nagiging guidance na rin tayo, diba? So, tinutulungan natin sila na magkaayos or what happened ba. And then, at the end of the day, no, dahil sila lang naman, o kami lang naman nandito, we make sure na maging okay din kami because it's just work. Iba pa rin naman yung personal namin dito sa workplace. Under my leadership, so 2017 pa lang, siguro yung pinaka-important sa akin is yung performance and development. Sabi ko nga kanina, this is just a small school or konti lang yung employees namin. So, the room for growth here is very minimal para sa position nila. Pero, yung development nila as a person, yun yung pwede. Like, kunwari, I have an employee na maintenance technician siya. Wala namang ladder yun eh. Wala nang itataas. So, parang ang development ko sa kanya is to be the teacher as well for the computer system servicing. So, how do I did that? So, pinag-apply ko siya sa diploma course natin. Tapos, computer system servicing siya. And then, ang next step namin is magti-trainer's methodology siya. So, he can be a teacher. Kailangan talaga na de-develop din yung employees. Important din sa akin yung meron kaming culture dito or yung workplace namin maayos. Tapos meron din kaming culture na parang family kami dito, tapos nagmo-motivate kami, as well as ang important sa amin is yung teamwork. Which is, for me, no, hindi ko na sila sinasabihan. Kasi sila na nagsasabi doon sa kasama nila na anong kailangang help kasi para matapos na agad. So, we can finish before the deadline. Kasi yun yung parang pinaka-goal ko. Ayoko na ng parang last day eh. Parang before the deadline, dapat sana natapos na namin. Lastly, yung innovation and growth din. Gusto ko rin kasi talaga, kasi yung TESDA, nag-i-innovate din siya, no? So, they have new courses, and yun nga, gusto ko rin talaga ng innovation. So, gusto ko din mag-apply ng ibang trainings dito sa school. Ayaw naman namin ma-stuck lang kasi syempre darating yung araw, luma na siya eh. So, wala na masyadong nag-e-enroll kasi hindi na yun yung mga kailangan sa employment. So, ayun. Yun yung mga gusto ko mangyari in the future.